Alright, so we just copped some new OEM like air filters just to get an accurate comparison of the 0 to 60s with the high flows on. So these aren't really that hard to replace. You just have these two metal clips, you pull it out, and then you can just take it out.
But anyways, this is going to be the end of the video for this. I will put up all the times ever since I've had the car. So I'll put up the times for the 17-inch rims, and I had a stock exhaust, to the 18-inch rims where I had a stock exhaust, and now the 18-inch rims with the high flow cats. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with it. I'm pretty happy with the cats overall. You saw the build quality on them. They look super clean. All the welds look so nice. It bolted up just fine. Installing them honestly wasn't that hard. I know I did it on a lift, but you can definitely do it at home for sure. I'd say the hardest part was really just breaking the bolts loose with all those extensions and the long 1/2-inch ratchet. Like, that was probably the hardest part. But other than that, I mean, it was super simple, super easy. Like I said, the build quality was so clean. You know, all like everything, the welds. Looking at like the Fast Intentions logo that they have on the side of the cat, like, that shit was so clean. I took pictures of it, and I'll probably post it in a YouTube post. The pictures that I took when I was working on the car, that they look so clean. I would definitely recommend these cats, especially if you're looking to keep the stock sound but add power. Because to me, if I'm being honest, the car sounds exactly the same. Definitely above $3,000, you can hear, you know, that you can hear the motor noise, or you can hear the exhaust a lot more above $3,000. But overall, I mean, for daily driving, if you're trying to keep your car, you know, as quiet as possible, or, you know, trying not to like induce any drone or anything like that, I would hands down recommend these for sure. And I haven't had any issues with the car at all. Like, it idles fine. The air fuel ratio is really good. I haven't had any issues whatsoever. No mill, no nothing, no codes. Everything has been working flawlessly. And outside of the 60 to 130 times, there is a power gain that I feel just with normal driving. You can definitely feel that the throttle, it's a lot more responsive, and the car feels a lot more peppy, or it feels a little bit more peppier, which I actually feel like this car needed, to be honest, because it kind of made it, whenever I was driving it, like on some curvy roads, it felt a little bit scary, I'm not gonna lie, because you definitely feel it pull you a little bit more than it usually does, and so it made it feel kind of a little bit scary. But I'll just have to get used to it again. Well, I'll have to get used to the car's power again. But yeah, overall, I mean, easy install, definitely worth it for power. Fuel economy, I'm sure, will increase. Like, I can already see it as well. With the MPG bar, like, I can tell, like, you don't have to rev the car as high to maintain like certain speeds. So I can definitely see myself getting like better gas mileage with this. By how much, I'm not too sure, but it definitely will make a slight change when it comes to gas mileage. And like I said, as far as sound, it's perfect. It's literally what I wanted. I just wanted it to be, I wanted more power, but to keep the noise as low as you could possibly keep it, and this did that successfully, which I'm really happy about. I'm just hoping that the catback can do the same. I really am. I'm hoping the catback can do it. But for sure, with the high flows, stock headers, and the stock catback, perfect. It's really nice. But yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'm out this bitch.